Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be an easy way to make a ponytail a bit more exciting, and you don't have to do any braiding. So you're going to start off by taking two sections of hair and just twisting them around each other and adding a section from the hairline each time. You can do it all the way to your ear, or you don't have to, whatever look you think suits you the most. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then you're going to take the two twisty braids that you've made and tie them together in the back with an elastic band. I think I was just twisting one braid a little bit more because I hadn't twisted it enough. Then you're going to pick up one section of hair from one side of your head and one section of hair from the other. And you're going to tie those sections together. Make a small loop and twist the ponytail through. And you're going to take two sections again. Leave the other ponytail free, don't include that one. Tie them together. Make a little hole. Fillet the ponytail through. And then tighten it. You can do this as many more times as you like, but I do it all the way down to the nape of my neck. And then you can leave the bottom out in a ponytail. Or you can curl it or you can plait it, it's entirely up to you. But a really easy way to make an updo a bit more exciting. Thank you for watching and I hope you like it.